Hello, how do you make a playlist on YouTube? Let's create a playlist right now on desktop or mobile on the YouTube app. And how to add any video to a YouTube playlist, even videos with the playlist option grayed out. It's magic! To create a playlist on a desktop, underneath any YouTube video you'll see these three dots. Click on them to bring up this menu, and we will click on Save. That brings up your list of playlists. To make a playlist, we'll click on this down at the bottom here, Create a New Playlist. We can give the playlist any name up to 150 characters, and we can set the playlist to private, so only we can see this, public, where anyone can see it, or unlisted, where anyone with the playlist link can see it. Then click on the Create button at the bottom here, and let's go back in to see that playlist on the list. It's here with the blue tick next to it. You can add a video to as many playlists as you like by ticking them along the side here, or if we click on the blue ticks, we can remove them from the playlist. To make a playlist on a mobile device with the YouTube app, get any video that you want to add to a playlist. Under the video you can scroll these buttons with your finger to get to Save, and we'll click on that. At the bottom it saves it to your last playlist. To change this, we're going to click on Change, and it brings up your list of playlists. Here we can click on Create New Playlist on the top right hand corner and give our playlist any title we like, up to 150 characters. And we can set the playlist to private, where only we can see this, public, where anyone can see it, or unlisted, where anyone who has the playlist link can see it. But what if the save button doesn't appear? This happens for videos which YouTube thinks are made for kids, like this video here, Wheels on the Bus, but if I scroll across, there's no save on the button. The button's there, but we can't click on it. Look, there's a warning at the bottom here. This is turned off for content made for kids. But we can go to the search bar at the top of the app here and search for the title of the video to bring it up in a search list. So we'll type in Wheels on the Bus CC version, and it brings up this search list. We can click on these three dots next to the video title. That brings up this menu where right here it says Save to Playlist. Click on that and it brings up our list of playlists, where we can tick to add it to a playlist, or click up here on Create New Playlist. Thank you for being awesome and hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps people to find this video, and it means the absolute world to me, so thank you. And right here are even more tips and hacks that will help you right here on YouTube.
Can you please help my dad get to 1 million subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. Can we have dinner now?